Little Blue Trucks, Springtime. Written by Alice Schertle. Illustrated by Jill, Mick, and Wavy. A Lift the Flat book. Little Blue Truck is on the road, taking a drive with good friend Toad. It's a yoo-hoo sky, a spring day. Who do they see along the way? Yoo-hoo sheep, beep beep, what's new? A little white lamb and a twin lamb too. Who's out swimming in a line? Yoo-hoo duck and ducklings 9. Yoo-hoo goat, what do you say? Can the kids come out and play? Yoo-hoo cow, just munching on corn. Yoo-hoo cow, yoo-hoo little calf, just born. Mama pig, who is in your pen? Yoo-hoo piglets, 1 to 10. Ears in clover, that looks funny. Hip hop, yoo-hoo bunny. Bunny sister, bunny brother, and another, and another. What's this nestled in the grass? Check it out before we pass. Crickety crack, everybody shout, yoo-hoo chick, come on out. Yoo-hoo sun, yoo-hoo sky, yoo-hoo white clouds sailing by. Birds that sing, frogs that leap, yoo-hoo spring, beep, beep, beep. The